large topic.
It's completely safe.
आपका वो प्रोडक्ट सही है या नहीं है?
In today's fast paced world, the pursuit of optimal health often leads us to a simple solution: a pill. From a promise of glowing skin to instant transformation, health supplements and multivitamins like glutathione or collagen have become a staple in many people's daily routines. Millions are buying in, hoping these pills hold the key to health. But what happens when the promises meet reality? This is where our journey begins. To find the truth, we turn to the experts who understand the body best.
Collagen is important because collagen is a form of protein. The protein, when we take in our body, it helps in building up of protein in our skin, hair and nails, so it make them all healthier. You should take collagen only under the supervision and after consulting your dermatologist in a proper dose form, and in a daily basis you can take, but to a restricted amount.
People are taking multivitamins or supplements on their own. So is it safe?
Patients are taking multivitamins like in the form of vitamin B12, vitamin D3 on their own without testing. So it's completely not safe because excess of these vitamins are also harmful. Excess of vitamin D3 leads to brain damage. Excess of vitamin B12 is also not good. So better to go and consult your dermatologist, your physician, get some blood tests done, and after the reports you can take their supplements, and that too only in a restricted period of time. And the doses should also be under the supervision of your doctor.
Is glutathione really safe?
Yeah, glutathione is completely safe. It is naturally present in our body. It protects our skin from hair and nails from oxidative damage, like from stress, pollution, anti-aging. Glutathione is naturally present in brown rice, legumes, all colored fruits and vegetables. But if you want to take it in the form of supplements, they are present in the form of IV solutions, in the form of tablets and solutions. But I do prefer in the form of solutions because it's present in FDA approved form, which is about the dosage is 500 mg. Above that it's not FDA approved, and below that, like in the form of tablets, it's not get completely absorbed in our body. So it's better to take it in the form of solutions. It helps as an antioxidant, it helps in giving whitening to the skin. But yeah, you should always take glutathione under the supervision of your doctors. Yeah, if you want to take an IV glutathione, you can go and visit a dermatologist clinic, and there you can take IV glutathione only under the supervision of your dermatologist.
What are the common cosmetic procedures people are choosing nowadays?
Practice here in this hospital, we do a fair amount of rhinoplasty, which is a nose job, and we also do facial rejuvenation in the form of blepharoplasty for eyelid bags, and also facelifts and neck lifts. And liposuction is also a common procedure for body contouring. We do include procedures on the breasts and tummy area, and there are procedures on the limbs also.
How safe are these treatments like Botox, lip fillers, and lip enhancement?
These are fairly safe if done by a trained professional in a proper environment and using the right standard products. So that way it is all safe. But if we don't fulfill these criteria, then things can go wrong.
What side effects do patients experience after undergoing these treatments?
Yes, things can go wrong, and we have to be mentally ready, and we should be well trained to be able to handle them. So commonly, there are so many things which can go wrong, and if we are able to manage them, most of things can be managed with some reassurance because people are really curious and anxious about something which will happen. But most of the things are just part of the usual, course of recovery. And majority of the time, we just need a reassuring, reassurance from the physician that all is well and you're proceeding well.